Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super simple necklace, so let's get straight into it. First, we need to cut our thread, and once you figure out how long you want your necklace to be, double that length because our thread is going to be folded in half. So for example, I used about 4 feet of thread and it gave me about 2 feet of resulting necklace. Now that we've cut our wire, make sure that it's folded in half, and we can now attach our necklace clasp. So take both of the stray ends and put it through the hole in the clasp. And then to secure it, we're going to create a few knots, and if you don't know how to do that, you can take the ends and make a little circle, and then go underneath the circle and pull the ends up through it. And then just pull on it tightly, and there you go, there's your first knot. I would do 2 or 3 of these just to make sure that it's secure. And once you've got that, you can just cut off the little stray ends there. Now we can start working on the actual necklace. Now we can start to add all of our beads. So on the opposite end of the thread, away from the necklace clasp, you can simply pinch the ends of the thread and put all of the beads on. And you're going to want to do this until you reach the end of the thread, but you're going to want to leave about 2 inches of room, and I'll show you why in a second. Alright, so there is the 2 inches of thread that I was talking about, and we need to close up this necklace. So we're going to create a knot just like we did in the beginning. So you want to take your thread and make a little circle, and then take the ends of your thread, go underneath the circle, and pull up through it. So this knot is going to create a loop that your clasp can clasp onto, obviously. And you're going to want to do this 2 or 3 times just to make sure that your thread is secure. And here's our second loop. And there you go. Now we are all done. So to put on the necklace, you can just open the clasp there and then just slide on that loop, and perfect, done. There you go. I think these necklaces turned out so cute. This is my first ever necklace tutorial, so if you guys would like more like this one, please let me know. I think these always turn out so cute. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for more videos like this one, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.